Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ford Fusion Energi. This one's silver. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid with 188 horsepower. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. A gray leather interior. Sunroof. Rear spoiler. Fusion Platinum Energy badging. Open up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of all-season floor mats. Memory seats, power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition, navigation. Rear view backup camera for sensors, hard keys for the radio, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, USB ports, shifter. This Ford Fusion has 32,020 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford Fusion, visit us at feldmanimports.com.